Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply liquid lipstick like a pro. The things that you will need are pretty much what I just show you: concealer, lipstick, a brush, and a foundation brush. Okay, so I'm gonna start by applying some lipstick right on my lip brush, and I'm gonna start by applying it right in my cupid's bow because that's gonna create a very nice effect and it's gonna make everything super smooth and nice. So I'm just pretty much just applying it right in the cupid's bow, and I'm creating kind of like a neck and pretty much just following the shape of my own lips. And that is the first step. And afterwards, just blend a little bit with the same brush. Okay, so now I'm just taking some lipstick on my brush and I'm going to apply it in the bottom lip, and I'm going to blend it super well with my brush. Okay, so now that I just have blended everything super well with my brush, I'm just gonna proceed to apply directly with the wand on my lips, and I'm just going to fill in everything that needs to be filled. And that is pretty much the technique to apply a perfect liquid lipstick. It's a lot faster and easier. It might look like it's a lot of steps, but it's really not, because once you're done with it, it's gonna look fantastic. Okay, so now the final step is to apply some concealer on the bottom of my lip to pretty much just correct every mistake I made. And I'm using this foundation, well, this is actually a concealer brush, and it's very easy to work with, and it's very fluffy, so it's very easy to blend everything super well. And yeah, that is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Bye bye.